Hello and welcome to the In Focus series section of Drishti IAS. I am Aisha Singh, and in today's video we will be discussing about India's first 3D printed post office, which has recently been inaugurated in the IT hub of India, that is Bengaluru. So recently the first ever 3D printed post office has been inaugurated in Bengaluru. So about the timeline, we'll be knowing about the news, then what is 3D printing, how 3D printing is done, what is the process followed, then examples of 3D printing, and in the end mains practice question or prelims MCQ. This topic is of relevance from General Studies paper 3, that is Science and Technology. So from exam perspective, you should be able to know first of all what is 3D printing, where the place at which the 3D post office has been inaugurated, and the technique used, and what are the implications or the significance or the relevance of that technique. So the news: India's first 3D printed post office inaugurated in Bengaluru. How does 3D printing work? And this brings 3D printing to news, and we have seen that UPSC is very fond of asking about techniques and its uses. So 3D technique becomes an important topic. So few of the pictures of the post office that has recently been inaugurated. So this is the entry area, then the aerial view, and this is also the entry area. This is how the building looks like. So India's first 3D printed post office was virtually inaugurated by the Union Minister Ashwini Vaishnav in Bengaluru, Cambridge layout very recently. So its construction was completed in just 43 days and the deadline was of 45 days. So the work has been completed before the deadline, and the company which is responsible for the construction is the Larsen and Turbo. These kind of questions has been asked in PCS papers, that the name of the company and the place where it has been inaugurated. So it is Larsen and Turbo built the post office with the technological support. So the technological support has been provided by the IIT Madras. Now about 3D printing. So the technique or the technology of the 3D printing was invented in the 1980s, and 3D printing burst into the mainstream around the 2010. So it was invented way before, but it came into line during the time of 2010, but it could not generate much attention because at that point of time, during the time of 2010, it was slow, but it was very expensive. So this both worked as a downfall for the 3D printing, that first of all it was slow, secondly it was very expensive also. So as a result, it could not gain much attraction from the people. 3D printing is also known as the additive manufacturing. Additive manufacturing, as the word itself is telling, addition of something. Additive manufacturing, it means addition of something over something. It is a process that uses computer created design to make three-dimensional objects layer by layer. So first of all, a computer is needed because the computer created design. So the design is created by the computer. Then three-dimensional objects is created layer by layer. It means first one layer will be created, then second, then third, then after that fourth, fifth. It means layer after layer things would be created, and this is how the three-dimensional object is created, and that is why it is called the additive manufacturing. It is an additive process in which layers of a material like plastic, composites or biomaterials are built up to construct objects that range in shape, size, rigidity and color. That they are built up to in layers, layer after layer, and that is how it gains its 3D technique or three-dimensional objects. And the material can be like plastic, composite or biomaterials, and the objects can vary in shape, size, rigidity and color. Then how is 3D printing done? Now what are the things which are used to do this 3D printing? So one needs a personal computer connected to a 3D printer. So first of all, the basic requirement is to have a PC, that is a personal computer. Then you need to have a 3D printer, that is the second requirement. All they need to do is design a 3D model of the required object on the computer aid design, that is the CAD software, and press print. So you need to have a software, that is the computer aid design software in your computer, and the design will be created by this software. So when the design is created by the software, all a person has to do is print, and whatever after that needs to be done, the 3D printer will does the rest of the work itself. So for having a 3D model design of anything, the computer aid design software needs to be there, then printing needs to be done, and after that the creation of the 3D object is the responsibility of the 3D printer. Then 3D printer construct the desired object by using a layering method. Layering method is the same as additive manufacturing, that layer after layer things are piled up, which is the complete opposite of the subtractive manufacturing process, because in additive manufacturing process things are getting added up. Like for example, this is first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. And now what happened in subtractive is, like there are 6 things. Now what will happen in subtractive is, instead of 6 it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then it will be 1, 2, 3, 4. Then it will be 1, 2, 3. Then 1, 2. Then 1. So things are getting subtracted. In additive things are adding up, while in subtractive things are getting subtracted. It is capable of printing anything from ordinary objects like a ball or a spoon to complex moving parts like hinges and wheels. So because of the help of the 3D printer, anything could be printed, be it a small thing or be it a big thing. So it has many uses also. Like few of the examples of 3D printing can be, it is used in different industries like healthcare, automobile and aerospace. Healthcare, it was used during the time of COVID-19 pandemic. So 3D technique and the 3D printers used much needed medical equipment like swabs, face shields, masks, as well as the parts to fix their ventilators. So during the time of COVID pandemic, the 3D printing technique was helpful in healthcare. In aerospace manufacturing also, recently the company Relativity Space has launched a test rocket. So they have even launched a test rocket which was entirely made from 3D printed parts. Though they launched it, but it did not work well, it failed, but still it showed that the aerospace manufacturing, the 3D technique and the 3D printing can be of good use. And in automobiles, to make the tires, wheels and inside equipments of the cars or of the vehicles, the 3D printer can be used properly. So examples of 3D printing or the applications of 3D printing is very vast, and it can actually help also in the coming times to make things better. Then in the end, a prelims MCQ. Now try to solve this and give me the answer in the comment section, and that is, consider the following statements. First, India's first 3D printed post office inaugurated in Bengaluru. The second, 3D printing is also known as additive manufacturing. Which among the following statements given are correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, neither 1 nor 2. So try to give me the answer. And that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Till we meet next time, keep reading and keep writing.